Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying your days and learning properly also and waiting for videos also, right? So today I am here with the poem Geography Lesson from chapter 2, right? The writer of this poem is Zulfikar Ghosh. Zulfikar Ghosh. We'll tell something about that Zulfikar Ghosh. Zulfikar Ghosh was born on 18th March 1935. He was Pakistani American writer and he has written poetry, novels and critical essays. In this poem, the poet describes the scene of the city or countries from an aeroplane. He was traveling, he was in an aeroplane, and from there he experienced views from that aeroplane that he has described over here, that we'll come to know over here. Before we go through the poem, we have to learn hard words and meanings also, right? So sprang, moved or went up. Flown, flew, flown, right? Aeroplane, obviously it will fly, not run on the road, right? So sprang, moved up or went up. Inevitability, inevitability, something unavoidable, something unavoidable which we cannot avoid. Haphazard, without proper order, without a proper plan. Without proper plan means no planning is there, right? Delineated, shown. Delineated means shown, show, shown. Logic, reasons. Logic, reason. Causes, reason. Causes, reasons. Jet, all of you know, your favorite toy, jet, a jet aeroplane. So jet means an jet aeroplane or an aeroplane, right? The poem is divided into three parts. The poem is divided into three parts that will come to know in our next videos. I will explain in that videos. Divided according to the altitude or height at which the plane is flying or plane flies. The description, the view the poet Zulfikar Ghosh experienced or saw from an aeroplane, that he describes into three parts, okay, and it is based on the height from the land to the aeroplane. Clear it is? You know, an aeroplane flies higher and higher, so according to that distance, according to that height, the views were shown to the poet, and according to that the poet describes in this poem. He also tries to unearth the symbolic meanings behind the features. You know, poem is a short description of a big story, right? Poet describes through this poem, different views he experienced when he was traveling by an aeroplane, and he didn't describe only that view, the beauty or the scenery or the scene, but through this poem he wanted to symbolize something. He compares something. He tries to give a reason why it is like that. That we'll come to know in our next videos. He was having three questions. He was having few questions he was having at the end of the poem. At the last stanza, he explained that nicely, which is very useful to us. That will come to know in our next videos. I'll ask you to read out this poem, and then you will come to know inner meaning of this poem in our next videos, right? I just going to read out, and in our next videos I will explain, right? See, first few lines which is mentioned that when the poet was traveling by an aeroplane, he saw different pictures, different views of the land areas. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground and looked haphazard, unplanned and without style. When the jet sprang into the air, see, when we are living in a particular area, so many things are there, and in every areas all type of facilities included, right? Hospital should be there, school should be there, shops, shopping malls, medical store, bakery, all these shops also will be there, buildings also will be there. Why? Because human beings, they cannot live, they cannot survive without these facilities. So because of that, all facilities are there, and according to that, buildings, houses, shops, hospitals, schools being constructed, right? So when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated, and why the valleys are populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated, shown, दिखाया गया है, पता चल गया है. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, then also we'll get another picture. It's quite natural. When plane goes high and high, higher and higher, pictures will also be smaller or bigger, like that, and it looks very different. When the jet rose 6 miles high, more than 10,000 feet, when it goes up and up. Then it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. When it goes extreme height to extreme height, the poet saw the earth is round. Land area and water area is there, but land area is lesser than water area, right? So in our next video we'll come to know what is the description the poet kept into these three parts of the poem, right? Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.